Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Cureton, Senior Journalist from XR Today. Wanted to share some news with you about the European Commission, who has accused Google of violating antitrust regulations by giving preferential treatment to its own advertising services over rival firms. The Commission also alleges that Google has been doing this for the past 9 years, which has resulted in ad auctions and bids favoring the tech giant. If found guilty, of course, Google could be fined up to 10% of its global turnover. This is obviously not the first time since Google has been accused of antitrust violations in the European Union. In 2017, the Commission fined Google $4.34 billion for abusing its market dominance in online searches. Now, the significance of this is that Google has released its Geospatial creator for Unity, which, if in the future, could potentially lose lots of adverts and revenues due to the fact that it cannot place its adverts in spatially anchored points around the world. If you like this news, please find more of it at xrtoday.com, and thanks so much for joining. Bye now.